how to check your HelloFresh billing history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to review your past HelloFresh payments, well here is how to check your billing history using the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on your profile icon or menu and then simply select billing or the payment history. And after that, on the next page, you can simply scroll through your past invoices and payments. And there you can select any transaction to see more details like date, amount, and payment method. And that's it. That's how you can check your HelloFresh billing history on mobile. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.